What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. You guys have seen my old g&bpro video, but I got a brand new bag and some other stuff to tell you guys about, so let's get it. Alright guys, so if you didn't see my review and unboxing on my g&bpro bag, click the card up above. If you guys haven't seen it, I did get it stitched. You guys can see we got the Seancutshair at the top, 245, clutch at the bottom. It does match the gray and green color. And unfortunately guys, as soon as I made this video, this colorway went out of stock. So I know a lot of people went to the website looking for that color and it doesn't exist anymore. And also some things have changed with the bag. So guys, I do have a new and improved bag. And for those of you who don't know, I made that video, we put a discount code in it, and they sold out that day. So they had been meaning to take care of me for making that video for a while. Of course, you guys know I don't really ask for anything, but I just enjoyed the bag and like to do the video. So after a long, probably 6 months, guys, I got my new bag in. It's one of the new styles, so we're gonna go over the new styles and some of the additions. I'll show you guys a custom bag, and I have a giveaway to tell you guys about with some more GandB products. All right guys, so here's the new bag. You guys can see, if you've seen the new bags, they have Velcro on them. The low-cutted version comes with a goat Velcro badge. I've seen a couple other colorways. It has the Velcro so you guys can put patches at the top. And you guys see I've already customized this one. I got a big money roll, $100 bills. You guys know, barbers, we all like some money. Got the 245 logo right here. g&bpro sent this along with the bag. Had to add the barber pole. Got the custom Seancutshair badge, of course the clutch logo. And guys, this g&bpro logo is stitched into the bag. So that's pretty dope to begin with, but guys, he didn't stop there. Like I said, he wanted to take care of me because the video did so well. So this is extra custom. This is black and green. You guys saw the other bag was gray and green. And then he went an extra step and put the logo on the arm. What do you call this? Strap? Whatever you call this right here, guys. It's the shoulder strap, whatever you want to call it. But anyway, guys, we got the logo on there. And on top of that, the logo is inside, and I'll show you guys that when we get there, but I'm gonna move my phone so I can show you guys the bag and some of the new features. All right, guys, so here's the bag. Not a lot different on the front. Obviously, we have our top pocket here. Plenty of room, guys. You saw the other video. There's a lot of things you can put different places. Most of the clippers and stuff are gonna go in the bottom. I'll show you guys that real quick. But most of this is the same. I think the additions on the new bag is we got a water bottle slot here so you can put your Cool Care or your water bottle or a drinking bottle. We also have a water bottle slot on this side as well. This is a new addition, guys. This is a laptop sleeve, so you guys can slide your laptop in there. I don't know about you, but when I travel on trips to hair shows and things like that, I do take my laptop. Our top pockets are the same right here. Obviously, guys, we talked about the Velcro. It's pretty dope. I ordered some of these custom badges from a website I found that made custom ones. I made my Seancutshair one and the clutch one, and the other ones I found online at a different website. Guys, you do have a power bank right here, a USB plug, and inside there's a cord to attach a rechargeable power supply. So anyway, guys, we'll go ahead and open up the middle. There's the other logo I was telling you guys about. Here's the cord for the power supply. Again, guys, this is the same as the other bag. We got a little zipper here. It is mesh so it can breathe. I'm not even sure what you would really put in here. Guys, it's really up to you. There's so much space in here. You can do whatever you want. So you got that pouch right there. Here, guys, I usually put shave gel, no drip, bottles like that. We got another slot right here. We can put some big stuff in. Really, guys, the top, I just kind of put my blow dryer right here. My beam compressor I usually put right here, a couple towels, and I will close this up and put the rest of the stuff in the bottom. All right, guys, so now we open up the bottom. If you guys didn't know before, these will connect right here. Of course, I have it sitting in my barber chair, but you connect both of these sides and the bag will sit up like this while you're out working mobile. It kind of helps you set it up and have your shears and stuff in here. So anyway, guys, I kind of flop it out when I go. I take it to a show. Mine is really just to travel to the show. So same thing here, guys, another pouch like that. Similar right here, I put my shears. I usually take 3 pairs. I guess now I have 5, so that's gonna be an issue. But you can put your shears right here, maybe a straight razor, shave gel, bottles like that. I'll put texture powder, texture spray, anything like that that would fit. Obviously, you guys can see the shape here. You can also put clippers in here. And guys, the trays right here, these pieces are interchangeable. So really, we wanna take our clipper. We can go ahead and pull this out. Let's say we wanna put a clipper right here. Then I will actually set this up to fit that specific clipper. We can take our bottom piece, put it in here. That one's too wide. We do have a bunch of different ones, and there's more in the bottom, guys, but we basically build a box for that clipper. We can grid out this whole thing and make it fit all of our tools, and then these fold out. So one complaint I've heard, guys, about this bag is that the pieces in the bottom did not stay set, and what that did was when these sunk in, they didn't sit flush, they tucked in too far, and you really couldn't get them back out. So one upgrade on the new bag, guys, sorry, that's kind of in the way, is this bottom piece right here. This is kind of built into the bag. It's not gonna go anywhere, and it gives you something for this to sit on. So you guys also could put clippers down in here. You can pack it really however you want. I usually put my shaver down here, some of the bigger tools that take up a lot of space, my neck duster, really everything else that I need to take with me, I'll put down here. Maybe some hair product, different things like that. But you guys can see tons of room in this bag. The improvements on this part will definitely help. That's one issue I had, was when I got to the place I was going, these had moved around. So these are more permanent now. And then, like I said, it also gives these something to sit on that's real solid, and they're not gonna sink in too tight. Now guys, unfortunately for you, this bag is a limited edition clutch green and black just for me, but I'm gonna run the other colors across the screen real quick so you guys can check them out. Now these bags sell out super quick, so you guys wanna follow them on Instagram and he will keep you up to date on when the bags are dropping. And I believe somehow or another, you can put your name on the list, and when they drop, you get first dibs at grabbing the bag that you want. All right guys, so last but not least, I have some exciting news for you guys. We are pushing close to 30,000 subscribers. I really, honestly guys, I never thought I would see the day, but I'm prepping for the 30K giveaway, and if you guys are watching this video, you're gonna be hyped. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can get in on the giveaway when the time comes. But real quick, I'm gonna show you guys what is gonna come in the 30K giveaway. First up guys, the main accessory, we got the clutch version, clutch meaning over the shoulder bag. This is the Papito Blessed Hands South Beach colorway. This is basically the same as the bottom of my bag. So when you open it up guys, you're gonna have the pouch on top, the parts for your shears and some of your products, and then you have the clipper tray in the bottom. On top of that guys, I'm gonna give away some accessories. We have the G&B Pro. This is a floor mat, so if you guys do house calls, you lay this out on the floor and you can just pick it up, you can take it outside and dump the hair after you get done. Maybe you're in a hotel room and you don't wanna get hair in the floor. Wherever you're at, you guys can put this mat on the ground and keep the hair from getting on the floor. Also guys, I have a G&B Pro cape for you guys to use. And if you look at this, there are weights that come with it. The weights go in the bottom corner, and here are the weights. That is gonna keep the cape from blowing around. If, let's say, maybe you're outside cutting hair or something like that, it will keep the cape in place with these weights. Nothing too crazy guys, but I am gonna include some G&B Pro stickers. And last but not least, I'm gonna include the G&B Pro headlamp. Guys, there's a super dope feature on this thing. Let's say we're cutting somebody's hair and we're using it at their head, and then we wanna talk to them. I can swipe my hand in front of it, and now I won't blind you guys. Wow. But anyway guys, if you wanna get on this giveaway, like I said, make sure you subscribe. As soon as we get close to 30K, I will give you guys details on how to get in on the giveaway. This is a super dope care package for my 30K giveaway. If you guys like this video, smash that thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of my new bag and which of my bags you guys like the best. I'm gonna have a hard time. You know I like the custom one I made, and now I got an even better one. So I guess I can swap them out. I don't know, we'll see. And like I said, make sure you subscribe. I got a lot of content coming, and the 30K giveaway will be very soon. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. Catch you next time.